So we are going to start with some lentils that I have cooked. You see the bay leaf in there, lots of aromatics, onions, peppers, lots of herb and spices. Season yours the way you like, okay? So we are starting with this as a base. We are going to puree this, so just hold tight. I'll also be adding in a cup of cooked quinoa that has a lot of aromatics cooked in with it as well. Half of a medium onion that has been diced, and about 6 or 7 mushrooms I had frozen. I would prefer fresh, but I have frozen, so we're going to use that. And then as the binding agent for our no meatloaf, I am using a half cup of tapioca starch and a half of a cup of ground flax meal that you see here and here. So let's get started. So the last step before the thicken, before we let the mixture thicken, is to add in a few of the cooked lentils just to add more texture. And then we will let this sit for about 10 minutes to thicken. Okay, so the oven has preheated to 350, and now we are going to grease our loaf pan with some olive oil. Paint all along the sides and everywhere. So we have filled our loaf pan almost to the top. I want to cover with foil, and we're going to start at 350 for 30 minutes, and then we'll check it. So this is where we are after 30 minutes covered. So we're going to do an additional 30 minutes covered, and then we will take it off and cook it more under the broiler for color. Here we are after 1 hour covered in the oven, and I wanted to make sure that it retained the moisture and the juiciness of the mixture. So now we're ready to uncover it and put it back into the oven for the first session of 30 minutes, and then we'll check it again. Lemon oil, sea salts, white pepper,